Hello students, this is Mrs. Crumpton. I have a video lesson for you about part of the Chapter 1, Section 6 information. Some of this we've already covered, you've had a worksheet on, and I wanted to touch with you again on mapping, just to make sure that you understand a little bit more about mapping and how to construct your own mapping. Your vocabulary that I'm going to be using for this example is from Section 1.6. They are on page 40. Relation is a set of ordered pairs that can be written as an equation, a graph, a table, or a mapping. A good definition for mapping is that a mapping illustrates how each member of the domain is paired with an element in the range. Now, I hope that you remember from our classroom discussion that domain is associated with the x coordinates and range is associated with the y coordinates. And there are your definitions for domain and range. The set of first numbers of ordered pairs. Now, when it's talking about the set of ordered pairs, it's talking about more than one ordered pair. We're talking about 2, maybe 3 or 4, several ordered pairs. Range, same thing, we're talking about more than one ordered pair. Range is the set of second numbers of the ordered pair. This example comes from page 41, the top of the page in your textbook, where it says study the different representations of the same relation below. So we're told that this set of ordered pairs is a relation. Okay? Now they take that and they represent it as a table, putting your domain 1, -2, 0 in for the column of x, the range 2, 4, and -3 in for your y column. Then each one of these ordered pairs are graphed, 1, 2, 2, -4, and 0, -3. Here is your mapping, and that's what I want to spend a little bit more time talking about. Now, if you notice the way that they've done this, they put domain and range. And they've drawn this little box thingy do. And they have listed the x coordinates in with the domain and the y coordinates into the range. Then they simply drew an arrow from the x coordinate to the y coordinate. So from 1 to 2 the arrow is drawn, -2 to 4 the arrow is drawn, and 0 to 3 the arrow is drawn. Make sure that you are drawing that arrow, because if you don't draw the arrow, the mapping is incomplete. Okay, now what I would like for you to do is pause the video, take just a few seconds or so, and I want you to express the relation given as a mapping. Let's see how you did, students. First off, I took the x coordinates, the 4, the -2, 2, and 0, and I put those in the little box for domain. Those are our domain values. They are the first set of numbers in the ordered pairs. Next, I took the 3, -1, -4, and -4. And I listed those in the range. Range is the second set of numbers in the ordered pair. Let me ask a question for you to think on. Why did I only list the -4 once in the range box? Negative 4 has the same value. It doesn't matter which ordered pair I look at. I'm still going to be moving from some point down to negative 4. Now all I need to do is draw my arrows. My ordered pair 4, 3 goes together. So I'm going to draw my arrow from 4 to 3. Negative 2, negative 1, 2, negative 4, and also 0 to negative 4. And that is how you do a mapping. Take a look, check, see how you did. If you missed this, make sure you write down a note to ask me about it in class. All right, students, what I'd like for you to do now, these are 3 problems that can be found in your textbook on page 43. I just want to make sure that you understand how to map relations. You have already proven to me in class that you know how to write these in a table, and you also know how to graph them. So if you would just practice these 3 problems, make sure you understand graphing, and you can also check these in the back of your book. Thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you back in class. Have a great day.